Susie McNeil and Brian Mello are just a couple of GTHA kids with a musical gift called Mistletoe Miracle that they want to share with the whole world this holiday season. And here with more on this joyful noise, we welcome Mac and Mello. I'm going with that. What do you guys think?
I love it.
Hey, happy holidays. Good to see you guys.
Good to see you.
Nice to see you, George.
Great. You know what? So we don't talk all over each other because I do it all the time. I'm going to go one at a time with these questions. Susie, I want to start with you. Your co-writer, Paul Stevens, he presents you with this, title, Mistletoe Miracle. So from there, was it kind of like a, eureka moment? Did this thing write itself, or did the muse take its sweet time?
Well, I was in a writing session with my husband and Brian and Paul, so three men.
Okay.
And Paul came in with Mistletoe Miracle, and I was the only one who didn't really get it. All the dudes were like, yeah, I'm feeling this. But it ended up being such a great little story. A guy and a girl, they go to a Christmas party separately, and then they meet under the mistletoe, and it's love at first sight.
Oh, come on. That's right there. That's beautiful. And it's a beautiful song, guys. I really enjoy it. Brian, look, this is not your first collaboration, correct?
No. Susie and I have been good friends for a really long time. And my last solo album that I did several years ago, I had a song called Story of Us. And I asked Susie to come on and do a duet with me. And that's really where the friendship really started to begin.
Cool.
So yeah, we've always worked together. We've done shows together. And her husband's one of my best friends. So we've always been a close-knit and good friends, yeah.
You know, Nashville, or Nash Vegas, as we call it now, Music City, USA, this is a town you both have spent a lot of time in. It's played a big part in both of your lives and careers. But Susie, I want to know, how has Nashville changed and or stayed the same over the years?
Oh my gosh, even since I moved down there in 2015, maybe, I was back and forth a lot. It changed. It's still changing. It's almost unrecognizable. There's 200 people moving there a day.
Wow.
So it's just like, and they had a hard time, to be honest, keeping up with the infrastructure. So things like Airbnbs and Ubers and stuff, they needed them. They've caught up a little bit. They're building more hotels and stuff, but I've never seen anything like it. All the cranes, it's like they're in Dubai, have all the cranes.
Yeah, and here. Brian, look, both of you got major early career exposure on music competition shows. Susie on Rockstar INXS back in 2005. You won Canadian Idol back in 2007. These shows are a real big gumbo of ego and grace and discipline and being able to perform on demand. How much of a classroom was that experience for you, Brian, those years back? And how much of an advantage has it maybe been to your career now?
It was huge, and it was like a school of rock that summer for me. I remember walking in and performing with their band and realizing that I wasn't rehearsing right for the last 5-6 years and seeing how professionals do it. And then, and then meeting, mentors like Queen and Kelly Clarkson and Maroon 5 was huge to actually speak with these professionals and learn from them. And, since then, it's a huge launching pad and it opens up the door for you, but you can't kind of ride on the coattails of that experience. That's sort of where the work really begins. But nonetheless, it opened up a lot of doors, and I'm definitely thankful for that experience.
Guys, we love the track. We love the work you've done together. Don't stop working together. Mistletoe Miracle is the holiday track by Mac and Mello, Susie McNeil and Brian Mello. We're so happy to have you here. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and all that jazz to both of you and your families. Enjoy the holidays. Take a break, and thanks for providing this beautiful music for us that we're going to share with everyone as we send it to news at the top of the clock. See you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
How'd you end up on my list? Better than silver and gold, Ooh, baby, didn't have love on my list. I'm falling faster than snow. You're my mistletoe miracle.